In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a blog on Payhip. Whether you're an aspiring writer, a small business owner looking to expand your online presence, or just someone with a passion to share, setting up a blog on Payhip is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Payhip account. If you don't have an account, simply go to the Payhip website and sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll see a variety of options. You'll want to head over to the Store section. Under the Store menu, you'll find an option for Blog. Go ahead and click on that. Now, let's create your very first blog post. You'll see a button that says Create Blog Post. Click on that and it'll open up a new page where you can start crafting your content. This is where your creativity comes into play. Start by adding a catchy title that will grab your audience's attention. It should be clear and relevant to the topic you're about to discuss. Next, you'll move on to writing the main content of your blog post. This is your chance to share information, tell your story, or provide insights that your audience will find valuable. Remember to keep your paragraphs concise and your language accessible. After crafting your title and content, you can add a cover image. This adds a visual element to your blog post, which can make it more engaging and attractive to readers. Choose an image that complements your written content and is high quality. Then decide on a publish date. You can choose to either post it immediately or schedule it for a later date if you plan to release content on a specific timeline. Once you're satisfied with everything and your blog post is polished and ready, it's time to hit publish. This will make your blog post live, allowing your audience to discover and enjoy your content. But wait, we're not done yet. To make sure your blog looks exactly how you envision, we'll move on to customizing your blog layout. Head back to the Store menu and find the Store Builder. This is where the magic of personalization happens. Within the Store Builder, you can add or edit the blog section. This feature allows you to change how your posts appear, ensuring they meet your stylistic preferences and align with your brand's aesthetic. Play around with different layouts, fonts, and colors until you're happy with the final look. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created and customized your blog on Payhip. Embrace this platform to share your passions, connect with readers, and grow your presence online. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.